What's happening, Shai?
I don't know.
Why are you stripping? This is a murder scene here, fellows. We are on our way trekking to the second, third, fourth waterfall of the day. And there's been 2 murders. 2 leeches that have been murdered. We're very close to the 4th waterfall. What is it called, Kathy? Yeah, it's supposed to be a 4th year waterfall. Let's see how it is. It's been pouring non-stop. There's a small streamlet. She's enjoying it. I'm sure that's a waterfall there. We're reaching to the final location of the day. The trek is a little more tedious. Challenging, I would say, not tedious. Yeah, it's definitely longer. At 500, it's been 37 minutes. That's okay, it's not that bad. You can hear the waterfall, but we haven't seen it yet. I'll show you guys the proof. Waterfalls there, and 1, 2, 3, 4 tiers. I don't know if you can see it. That's it for the day, right?
We did 5 in a day.
Chalo now. Let's call it a day. Look at the amount of mud that's here. Everywhere step there's mud. And that's the way back home. Let's see if I can shoot some more along the way.